Bobby,
What?
you know what we should talk about? Remember that last time you came and we were talking about all that stuff?
Hold on, hold on.
Ooh, cut myself. Hey, Liam, like shoot my hand, Liam, or something. Ow. This deco is out?
Yes. Is it working?
Yes.
God bless you, Nate.
God bless you. I'm gonna do this to I'm gonna do this to the grown-ups.
All right.
Ready? It's so easy.